Watch, the train goes by. Watch, you gotta wait for it. It'll come by. I just seen it leave at the station. There it goes. Right there, see? Daddy got 99, Mama got 68, and we got 400. Good job. You want to put it up there for you? Put it right there. How's that sound? All right, build it. Let's build like a square. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at the farm, Henry. It's all lit up. I don't know. Some futuristic tower in Boston, maybe? Oh, we have the carrot truck. Wow, look, it's going by itself. Oh, you know what? They changed it around. Watch, the train goes by. Watch, you gotta wait for it. It'll come by. I just seen it leave at the station. There it goes. Right there, see? Where's the school bus? Oh, there's the school bus, yeah. There's the State House. There's the pregnant building. Faneuil Hall. Quincy Market. That's cool. That's for, oh, that's where the, look, it's Fenway Park, look. Here, look, you hit the button. I think it's broken.
Oh, there's the bus.
Wow, that's pretty cool. There we go. Hit confirm. It's launching. There we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, go, go, go. There it comes. It's going to be on the screen. There it goes, Henry. There it goes. See right there. Wow. See it's flying. See it's flying right there. There it goes. It's up in the sky. Woohoo.
Water, Mommy.
It's in the stroller.
I want my water.
All right, I'll go get it for you.
What you building there, little girl?
I'm honestly shocked she's not trying to clean up this room because out there she was picking up every piece that was on the floor.
Hey, watch this.
Wow. Oh no. Ah. Wow, good throw.
Oh boy. Alright.
Say cheese.
Alright, fingers out of mouth and nose. Last time I'm saying.
Alright, ready?
Did we like get to see?
Yeah, I think this is pretty much the end. Wow. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later.